Okay guys, tara na. Magtinda tayo ng mani. Nagluto ako guys. Pang-vendors ni Arnold. May balat at wala. May maanghang at hindi maanghang guys. Atin yung yung garlic. Fried garlic. Ay ating sili. Ayan. Ganito guys, ganito. Ayan. 10 piso bigay ko guys. Hindi pa maanghang itong nagagawa ko guys. Yummy! Fried peanut, yummy! Okay guys, thank you for watching. Love, love, love. See you next vlog. Pang-vendors ni Arnold. Love, love, love. Love you all.